Morning. With the US on holiday, global markets saw quiet move across markets. European and Asian equity retraced slightly while gold held steady above 1,900. Now crypto markets trading 24/7 didn't rest and unlike equities rose. Bitcoin gained almost 5%, rising from 35,500 to 37,300. Interesting, by the way, to note the correlation between Bitcoin and gold. It's at its lowest ever, and I suspect a lot of people are starting to focus on the former, Bitcoin, at the expense of the latter. As one would expect, with the risk on tilt, alts performed well and pushed the Bitcoin dominance back in the 42s. So Chainlink and AAVE stand out as the outperformer, rising a healthy 18%. Ethereum and Polkadot follow, gaining 13%. And then Cardano and Tezos gained about 10% on the session. Now, zooming out from the day-to-day price fluctuation, the question on most people's mind is still whether we've hit a bottom or if we're due lower. I still won't predict markets or make guesses, but fundamental data can help us see how market participants are playing this current retracement. Thanks to Glassnode data, it's them again, we see that short-term holders are in deep losses and continue to sell, while the majority of long-term holders are still in profit. But the mid 30K level is where the cookie crumble. So depending on whether we bounce up or break down, the faith will be tested. But so far it seems like they're accumulating instead of panicking and selling. To illustrate the broader crypto space, another chart shows miners accumulating, long-term holders accumulating, so following a similar trend, while nobody's selling the long-term holders. We're missing the view of whales, but previous data showed that they were selling at the top and bought back in the lower 30Ks and might be waiting for further retracement to buy back their full position for a monster profit. And then you see short-term holders, of course, selling at a loss, it seems. Now, that's actually all I wanted to cover today. There's maybe two interesting pieces of news to add and close it off. One is DBS issuing a $15 million worth of digital bonds. So it's the first security token offering for them. And then really interesting to see a good chunk of the mining power popping up in Argentina, where cheap, subsidized energy helps participants power growing operation. So maybe it's time to move to Buenos Aires. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.